Being close to the nature is the most fundamental process to blissfulness for each one of us. And if this blissfulness is available in your home or surroundings by creating a wonderful garden, then nothing like it. Namaskar, this is Falguni and you are watching IFC Landscapes. I am here to show you some of our amazing creations, but first, Shodel. Our expertise are providing complete solutions for making landscapes, roof garden, vertical garden, waterfall, fountain, artifacts, etc. Please stay tuned to watch some outstanding works from next scene onwards. As we can see, this is a pleasant environment where you can sit and relax for hours. The moment you take step on that roof, your mind will be relaxed and relieved from all the stress. Here we have installed a string waterfall for better aesthetics and as well as low maintenance. This is a cast iron made staircase, and handcrafted paint has been applied to give it an antique look. Usually most of the plants are durable and don't get damaged in harsh weather. Among these, some are floral plants which bloom in all seasons. The extended open area is beautified with a pergola structure, and some hanging planters with creeper plants are placed. In this project, we have taken care of many technicalities such as waterproofing, water labels, customized planters made of cement fiber material. We have created 3 levels of illumination by different light fittings, and these are connected to RCCB to avoid short circuit and connection errors. Here we have used cement fiber make planks for paneling and flooring, and for rest of the part of this roof we have used UV protected artificial grass. The place is made such a way that you feel close to the nature, and now it's for you to enjoy. You see how beautiful a roof can be? We are always ready to make you surprised with our creativity, to make your surroundings like lawn, roof or backyard wonderful. To proceed further, if you have any queries or requirements, please do contact with us. Our contact detail is on the screen and as well as in the description box. Let us know your feedback in the comment box, and please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications. I will come up with more videos created on our projects. Please stay tuned. For now, Pranam.